A tragic incident shook Kashmir as explosives seized from a Faridabad terror case accidentally detonated during inspection at a Jammu and Kashmir police station. The powerful blast killed 9 and injured 32, including police and forensic staff. Authorities confirm it was an accident caused by unstable chemicals. The government has ordered an immediate probe, urging the public to avoid speculations as investigation continues.
Last night, around 11:20 p.m., an accidental explosion has taken place. Any other speculation into the cause of this incident is unnecessary. 2025 or PS Nowgam, a huge quantity of explosive substances, chemicals, and reagents were also recovered from Faridabad on 9th and 10th of November 25. This recovery, like the rest of the recoveries which we have done, was transported and kept securely in the open area of police station Nowgam. As part of the prescribed procedure, the samples of the recovery had to be forwarded for further forensic and chemical examination. On account of the voluminous nature of the recovery, this process was going on for the past 2 days, which means yesterday and day before, by the FSL team. Due to the unstable and sensitive nature of the recovery, the sampling process, the handling was being done with extreme caution, with utmost caution by the FSL team. However, unfortunately, during this course, last night, around 11:20 p.m., an accidental explosion has taken place